Hey, thanks for checking out The Wave Editing. If you're anything like me, then your podcast is your baby. And even though you know you might need some help with production, you also don't want to hand it over to just anyone. I totally get that. So let me tell you a little bit about who we are and how we work. My name is Popish, and I'm the founder of The Wave. My goal is really simple. I want to diversify the voices in our media by helping women start and grow podcasts. That's why I created the first podcast production service for women by women. Our entire team, from our editors to our writers to our project managers, all identify as female. It's extra special because only 5% of the individuals working in the audio industry are women, but we're trying to change that. One of the biggest things that prevents podcasters from growing their show is that they spend too much time producing their podcasts and not enough time promoting it. We help podcasters by taking those tedious post-production tasks off your plate so you can focus on telling the world about your show. Script writing, guest scheduling, and helping with those episode ideas, those are pre-production activities and not something we offer. We specialize in post-production tasks like video editing, audio editing, show note writing, transcription, and show distribution and scheduling. Our production packages are priced based on the number of minutes you record and submit to us each month. Specifically, we count the raw minutes, which is the total of minutes that you've recorded before editing anything down. So, for example, if you record 4 episodes a month, and each one is 60 minutes long, then your monthly minutes are 240, even if you end up trimming down the episode to 50 or 45 minutes each. You can see on our website that you can purchase a bucket of raw minutes starting at as little as 40 minutes a month, all the way up to 400 minutes a month. With each episode you submit, we chip away at the minutes in your package until you run out or the subscription renews. If your podcast falls between packages or between buckets of minutes, I recommend you go with that smaller bucket. You can always grab a 30 or 60 minute a la carte minutes as you need at the end of the month. Many of our clients also have seasonal podcasts or like to batch a bunch of episodes ahead of time. We can accommodate that too. You can purchase a larger package of minutes for your first month and then reduce or cancel once all of your episodes are edited. Or if you just let us know when your season is going to end, we'll pause your subscription. It's super easy to change and cancel your package once you've purchased. When it comes to services, we offer audio and video editing, as well as writing and a few marketing and admin services. You can learn more about what's included in each of those services and see some examples of our work on our website. While we create audiograms and video clips that you can use for social, many people want to know if we do social media management, like posting on your accounts, caption writing, and engagement. Since social media marketing is constantly changing, I believe that social media strategy should be done by experts. So we don't offer those services, but we do have a wonderful partner company that is female founded called Car Creative, who we can refer you to for social media marketing services. Perhaps the best way for you to understand what it's like to work with us is to walk you through the process of submitting a new episode. You can use the cost estimate calculator on our website to determine which package is right for you. Once you're ready, you can click Order Now, select your services, and purchase the package. You will quickly receive 3 emails back to back. The first is a receipt for your order. The second gives you access to our client portal. And the third is an onboarding email where we will collect critical information about your show. Start by filling out the onboarding survey. This will help us customize our production services to your needs. We collect things like your theme music, your hosting credentials, and the call to actions we should include in your show notes. With your onboarding survey complete, we'll assign you a dedicated editing team, and you can log into the client portal to start submitting your episodes. On your dashboard, you'll see how many minutes you have left in your package for the month. Your dashboard also allows you to view invoices, contact support, and see when your next payment date is. To submit an episode, click on the red button that says New Request. You'll be asked to answer some questions about your episode and link to a folder with your audio or video assets in it. You can include instructions to your editor and writer about things you want to include or exclude. Once you submit your episode, our editing team will deliver the first draft back a minimum of 48 hours later. Our team doesn't work over the weekends, so just make sure to plan ahead so we can meet your deadlines. When your episode is ready, your editor will send a link to frame.io. This platform allows you to play your audio file and make comments throughout the track at specific timestamps. You can also communicate with your editing team in the chat. Every package includes unlimited revisions. If you've purchased writing or marketing services, they'll also be delivered in the chat with the ability for you to give feedback and make revisions. Once you're ready, you can download the file from frame.io, or if you've purchased uploading services, our team will prepare and schedule your episode for you. It's as simple as that. This system is designed to keep all of your podcasting work in one place, make communication faster and transparent, and give you full visibility into the production process. If you have any other questions about how we work, feel free to check out our extended FAQ or schedule a delivery call on the website. We can't wait to take care of your baby. Podcast. Thanks for watching, keep podcasting, and enjoy the ride.